And there is growing discontent from the team of JFF presidential challenger Raymond Anderson following a meeting with the Electoral Committee on Friday.
8 days before the Jamaica Football Federation JFF elections, the Real Solid Action team led by presidential candidate Raymond Anderson is questioning the objectivity of the Electoral Committee. Both presidential candidates and their teams met with the Christopher Samuda-chaired committee on Friday at Jamaica College. In just under an hour, the meeting was complete, but one side was left perturbed. Anderson is citing tardiness on the part of the committee in response to issues his team has raised since September in the lead-up to the elections.
There was an issue for a zone member. A member of a zone, a parish, sent something to the Electoral Committee within the last 2 weeks, and they respond. That means they choose what they want to respond to. So I have a problem with that. So in terms of the level of fairness or independentness, I'm hoping that it will prevail. You know, I'm really hoping for that. But seeing what I saw, I think I have some concern.
Anderson's team member, attorney Valerie Nita Robertson KC, was barred from the meeting and was not amused by the actions of the committee.
All right, so I'm King's Counsel, but I believe that the response from the Electoral Commission, which is headed by an attorney, is not only disrespectful, but it really does not show good governance. Good governance involves integrity, principles of integrity. It involves transparency. It involves free and fair elections, and none of that is happening now, and the entire Jamaican public should be concerned. We cannot make decisions based on friendship.
TVJ Sports understands that Anderson's team challenged the eligibility of incumbent Michael Ricketts to run as a candidate based on a defamation suit against him a few years ago. They are also upset about what they regard as the disenfranchisement of some of the delegates and the fact that 6 of the parish associations are not registered as companies as constitutionally required.
Those have actually been sorted out by the Electoral Committee, and this was part of the new constitution where the Electoral Committee will oversee the entire process leading up to and on the day of the elections. Despite
the ongoing chaos, Ricketts is confident about his chances on January 14.
Absolutely, I am confident, and I understand the word canvassing, and I do that every day. My team and I canvass the numbers every day, and we are pretty confident. We just want to stay humble, and like I've always said, we want to be respectful in our exchanges. That is my greatest concern right now. People try to put down each other. Those on the other side seem to enjoy trying to put us down, put me down, put the other members of my slate down. But we're not into that. We're into growing the sport of football.
So we're administering a process without a procedure, a set of procedures. And that, to me, is the problem. We will hit the ground and we will get the votes that we are required to put us into office. That goes beyond the shadow of a doubt. But we can't be running the most successful sport in Jamaica by people who just figure they can do it by the seat of their pants. There's a constitution which governs, and there are a set of rules which guide how these things are handled.
As D-Day draws closer, the temperature is sure to rise from both sides, with anticipation high for January 14's voting Congress. Jerome Foster, TVJ Sports.